Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a very amazing news from Microsoft. They launched a free application for recovering your deleted file. As many of us searching on Google how to file recover or file recovery software, and most of them paid software, so that's why Microsoft has decided to give us a first party solution through thought with the launch of an app called Windows File Recovery. And with this recovery software you can recover most file types with Microsoft listing: JPEG, PDF, PNG, MPEG, Office files, MP3, MP4 and zip files. Also you can use this application on it work with hard drives, solid state drives, memory cards, and supported with NTFS, FAT, exFAT and REFS file system included. It therefore covers most configuration Windows 10 would be running in. So let me show you how you can download and use this software. First you need to open your Microsoft Store, or you can just install from here. I will put the download link in description, or you can download from store, Microsoft Store. There are the two ways. Okay, I click it and I already installed. It's in. Okay, I already on this app, and let me show you that how you can use this application after install. I'm not gonna run this application because I already own my own recovery software. So for example, if you want to recover some file from D drive, and this is how you can use this command. First drive and later your recovery destination and the extension. If you know the static mean the file name, if you know it, you can use or you can just everything that how you can use this program. And let me show you that which program currently I am using. Well, currently I am using OnTrack Easy Recovery, and it's paid version, so that's why I don't need Windows File Recovery. But you can use this program, it's free of cost. And if you need any help to recover your files, so I can share this OnTrack Easy Recovery technician for Windows link in my description as well. You can download from there. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.